Okay, so this is the part two, the step-by-step process on how you can optimize your videos to have your popular videos coming first. Okay, so we are on our channel dashboard, right? So here you have to go through the desktop site, not your usual studio app. You're going through the desktop site. So if you're using your phone just like I'm using, all you have to do is come to these three dots here and scroll up. You see desktop site. You check it just the way you're seeing, and then you go and key in studio.youtube.com like you're seeing there to bring you on here. Okay, this is the screen that you're going to have right now. You're going to look for, you come to this site, you're going to look for channel customization. I'm already there. On channel customization, you click on home tab. Now, when you see this home tab, mine is already arranged. So you'll find that in your own, you first of all come to this place and check it. Your own may be unchecked. So you check it, open it up like mine is already opened up. Add session. Yours may not have all of these sections you're seeing here. All the sections you're seeing popular videos, short videos, it may not have. So you have to open up this place, click add session, then you click on the ones that you want to be visible, the ones that you want people to see the moment they get into your channel. Once that is done, you come back here. You are going to take your most popular videos to the top, just like you're seeing mine here. You click on, okay, let's say your most popular videos were this collaboration. Click on collaboration and then you move it all the way up. Okay, so I'll employ you to move your popular videos. Let your popular videos be the first videos that people will see when they come onto your YouTube. Okay, so that's that for this. Let's get back into the main video. I hope you took notes so that you can go back into your studio and do exactly what I just showed you to do. The third secret I will be sharing with you is optimization keywords. This is basically done around your channel description settings. Okay, so you want to look at all the keywords that are related to your niche, the niche you are in, what you're doing here on YouTube, the value that you give out to us. What are the keywords that you can find around this niche? ChatGPT can help you to get all of those keywords. If you haven't watched my series on how ChatGPT can help you to blow up, please, after this video, make sure you watch it. This is the playlist. Watch it. It is in a series. Okay, watch all the videos and it will help you a whole lot. So get the keywords and optimize them in your channel description. I don't mean your video description this time around, on your channel description. Okay, then we talk about playlist optimization. Some people just create their playlist, they are just writing any name on it. See, any moment you have on YouTube to put in keywords that can rank you amongst those big creators, just take advantage of it. Stop putting out anything on your playlist. Some people I see, they create a playlist and they name it A. Some people name it B. No, always name your playlist with words, keywords around your niche. Okay, keywords around your niche, like the one I'm talking about, the videos, the series I'm talking about. I made it in a series and I created a playlist, and the name of that playlist has something to do with ChatGPT. So you go there, you see series hyphen ChatGPT hacks or something like that. I can't remember exactly what I named it with. So if you get onto YouTube and anybody types how to use ChatGPT, there is every possibility that my videos are going to pop on that search bar, because I optimize my playlist. I do not just put them there. If you've watched up till those moments, then I believe you are really, really determined to grow your channel systematically, tactically, and technically. Then this is the channel where you have to be. If you haven't given us a subscription, you may want to do so and turn on the notification buttons, because this is all we do here. We do research and we bring them back just to make sure that we are all on a good path and happy with what we are doing here on YouTube. So which of those hacks are you going to be using, or which of them have you already done? Let me know all of this in the comments.